Double-double tonight.
Double-double ba ako?
Oo.
Parang kayo ito.
Sabi mo. Ano masabi mo sa nilaro mo ngayon? You're parang very consistent ka this sense.
Okay naman. I think it's more on a total effort from the team. Obviously, we're struggling on the offensive side. Not only me, it was Chris Banquero, Aaron Black, and the new import, syempre, big help for us.
For you personally, anong bang nabago from, kasi sa Elims parang hindi ganun karami yung production mo, even the playing time, but now, with more playing time, more points, more rebounds.
Oh, well, it goes with it, di ba? Playing time, more responsibility, more touches. So now I think, kasi nga, I'm a defensive player. Bonus na lang yung offense eh. So now, sa playoffs talaga, you get to, it stops eh. It's a game of stops. So I think Coach really played me longer because of that.
And then how about yung comfort level mo with your teammates in now, medyo marami-rami na kayong games na magkakasama eh. So, kumusta yung comfort level?
Okay naman, ever since the start of the conference. Alam mo, when I got here sa Meralco, Coach Leonard came up to me, Coach Luigi, Chris Newsome, one of the leaders here sa team, sabi niya sa akin, we've been waiting for you. Alam mo yun, mga ganun bagay. So it helped me a lot to boost my confidence. And yun, seamless naman yung transition.
Last question now, you just this one for yung win na to dahil obviously if you lose this game, down
Yep.
by 3-1, but from your perspective, gano'ng kalaking panalo ito sa inyo?
Well, season on the line. Backs against the wall. So it's a really big boost for us and, momentum changer.